Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify campaign experiments in Google Ads are statistically valid. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining what statistical validity means in the context of Google Ads campaign experiments. Explain that statistical validity ensures the results of your experiments are reliable and can be attributed to the changes made in the campaigns. Start by establishing a clear hypothesis for your experiment. Identify the specific changes you plan to test, such as ad copy variations or bidding strategies. Determine the key performance indicators, or KPIs, that will measure success. Select a suitable sample size to ensure your results are meaningful. Use Google Ads built-in features to set up the experiment. Enable Google Ads experiments by navigating to the Drafts and Experiments section in your account. Create a new experiment based on the draft you've prepared, specifying parameters such as the percentage of traffic to allocate. Run the experiment for a sufficient duration, which typically ranges from 2 to 4 weeks. Monitor the experiment regularly to ensure everything is functioning as planned. After the experiment concludes, analyze the data collected during the test. Utilize statistical tools to determine if the changes resulted in significant differences in performance. Calculate the conversion rates and other KPIs for both control and experiment groups. Employ statistical tests such as A/B testing methods, t-tests, or chi-square tests to evaluate the results. Assess the confidence intervals to understand the reliability of your findings. Make sure to account for any external factors that might influence your results during the experimental period. Once all data is analyzed, interpret the results and determine if you can confidently adopt the changes into your main campaign. Document the findings and compare them with previous experiments for future reference. Consider creating a summary report that includes insights and recommendations based on the experiment. End by reiterating the importance of statistical validity in making informed decisions for future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.